Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable biometric authentication. So it means that enabling your Touch ID on the Korean Air application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the home button down below and tap on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the button settings at the top next to the X icon. Scroll down to the additional security verification section and then click on biometric authentication. But first you need to turn on the auto login feature in order to use the biometric authentication. So tap on it and then you should use the Touch ID for login authentication. As you can see, it has been completed. Click on confirm and then when you open the app you will be required to use your Touch ID. If you would like to disable it, just come back to this section and tap on this button again and then it will be turned off automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.